Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's business talk. I have two amazing people from Canada joining our business talk today, and we are going to discuss about what made us to join this business apart from our 9 to 5 jobs, because all three of us are working in full-time jobs, and we have chosen this business for a special reason. We are going to talk to you all about that and also share what has changed in our life since we have started this business. And myself, Aishwarya Karthik, and I'm a mom of two young children. I'm from UK, as you all know. And I have Fareen and Kulwant from Canada, who have joined me today. Kulwant, you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, hello everyone, and thank you, Ashwarya, for inviting me. This is the first live for me. I'm so excited. And hello everyone, my name is Kulwant. I live in Ontario, Canada. I've been here since 2015 and I work as an office admin full time. And I recently joined this business, and I'm really happy and I'm proud that I joined this business. Um,
Yeah.
yes,
Thank you. Thank you,
thank
Kulwant.
you.
And yeah, Fareen, you want to go?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Farhin. I am originally from Mumbai, India, and I recently moved to Canada in 2022. I did my master's in biotechnology, but when I came here, I couldn't find my field job. So right now, I am doing a admin job like Kulwant. So yeah, the main reason for me to join this business was I wasn't happy in my career because that is not what I studied. So I wanted to do something which I did, but unfortunately didn't get the opportunity. And when I saw this business opportunity and like minded people, this is what made me join this business. So, yeah, I'm happy to be here. And this is our first live. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yeah, thank you so much, Fareen and Kulwant. So, yeah, I also wanted to share what made me to join this business. Yeah, as you all know, yeah, we are all busy in our 9 to 5. But then what I personally felt is that job is taking too much of my time and energy and leaving me with very less energy for myself, for my family. So I was just thinking, and while in a long run, my children are just now 4 years old and 8 years old. Probably in for the next 10 to 15 years, all that I will be doing is running behind the schedules, at calls, office calls, and being sick and just ignoring my sickness and still showing up at in office, showing up for my household roles and responsibilities. And probably when I'm around 45 plus, I'll be already very sick about life, and which I really don't want to put myself in that situation. So one day I thought, fine, enough is enough. Now I have to think about something, and that will really give me the time freedom and also the financial stability, because my kids are growing and my finances, the need for my finances is also going to grow, and I have to be well placed in a situation where I equally support my husband, my family, and their needs as well in a long run. And so it is definitely a need for all of us, at which we cannot ignore. And I'm a person who always who think financial independence is very much important as a woman, and I like that so very much. So that's why I don't want to quit my job, but before that I want to create something sustainable for me, and something that I really love to do, and that is not taking my energy too much, leaving me with very good energy for myself and my family in future as well. That's why I chose this business. So what do
I
you think, Kulwant?
Yeah,
You want to add?
yeah. I want to add why I chose this business, honestly, because I always wanted to have some extra income because, nowadays one income is not enough. Everything is so expensive. So I always wanted, since last year, I was searching for something online because with the full time job, second job is not possible. So I just don't want to do weekends also. So I was searching since last year something to do online because I knew people are making money, they are doing something online, but I was not sure how and where I can start. So I was searching and I found this platform. I was searching something online that I could do on my own schedule, something flexible. So when I found this platform, I felt like I should give it a try. That's how I started.
Thank you for sharing. And
And this business, sorry, this business, I believe that this business helped me build my confidence. And I'm really happy and I'm learning every day something new. And I'm really happy doing this business.
That's
Yeah.
very true. That's very true. And because it is this business that has given great friendships as well for me and
Yes.
you guys, and meeting
Yeah.
you guys and chatting with you guys more or less every day. It really helps us to feel connected, confident, pushing each of us. And
Yes.
yeah, you did a great job today. I did a great job today. So yeah, that kind of support is really needed, right? And as women, and we are all very much connected, and we are all emotional, too much emotional beings here, and we need that emotional connection. And I'm so thankful to this business for that. So what do you think about it, Farin? What has changed in you
So, to
after starting?
Kulwant, I want to add one thing that I did two jobs when I came here. I was doing one job, but then I was like, I have more time. I don't have kids, so it's just like we are immigrants. We are here to make money, right?
Yeah.
So in new country, it's everything new. It's difficult for us to adjust. So I'm like, in my initial years, I did two jobs, but like I was happy that I was getting more money, but then like I was out for like 11 hours like doing one job and then next job. Like we are young, so I thought like, okay, I can do it, but eventually my body was giving up, and I realized like this is not the right way. Money was coming, but I wanted something more flexible. So when I got introduced to this digital business, I was so happy. I was curious because I had no idea that we can do anything like this. So this platform is really amazing for anyone who wants to build a side income with having your second, like first job. So I still have my first job, and along with that, I am building this as my second income. And the best part about this is when I didn't get my job, like when I didn't get job in my field, my confidence was very low. Like I come from a family background where everyone is engineers, doctors. So like I stopped talking to my family. Like I didn't, I had, they had no idea what I was doing, like what was my second job, because it is not what I expected myself to be. So the confidence was very low. Social anxiety was so much. I never used to go out because if I go out, what am I going to talk to people? What I do? I was not confident about it. I was not comfortable about it, right? So when I got introduced to this, I saw there are so many like-minded people like me, and now I am happy to have you all guys. And confidence is one thing which has really boosted, and discipline along with my job. I am doing this. It is not easy to build this, and doing this every day is not easy. And I'm happy that I have you guys. There is a support system which is really really important to have. Like one day, there are days like I'm not doing well, but then somebody will come and ask me like, where are you? I don't see you.
Yeah.
So that motivation is really really amazing. And Aishwarya, like, she's going out tomorrow for a vacation.
Yes.
In the morning she's going out, she have kids, like she's a mom, she is a wife, and she also works full time. Apart from all these things, it's night at her where she is now, still she is doing this live. This is the motivation which I get
Yeah.
from you all, and this is amazing. And yeah, I definitely want to be associated with you because this is good for our future, and I want
Yeah.
something which is with us forever. Like this business will be with me wherever I go. Jobs will come and go, but this business is global business, and it's going to be with us wherever we go. So this is a
Yeah.
good step, anyone who's looking to have an extra income.
Yeah,
And
that's true.
also, Yeah, and also I feel when I started after starting this business, I realized this it's not just a business, it's also a lifetime
Yeah.
investment. There is so many things when you start this business, you got to know that it's a lifetime investment, and it's really good. And the
Yeah.
training, the help, the community, the support we get is amazing.
Yeah, that's true, especially because it is that as part of this business, we are learning a skill, and it is like a degree that is going to be with us in our memory, which we can revisit any time in that is required for us. So it is not like okay, there is a contract, and once the contract is done, and you're out of the job. No, there is nothing of that fear. It is going to stay with us. The skill, while we can utilize it for our own benefit and throughout our life. So in that way also I'm feeling so confident. And also one more thing I've noticed after joining this business, and my thoughts, actions, and has very much aligned, because this is something I really like to do. And this social connection with people, the purpose that it is giving as part of this business, because when we connect with mothers who are really in need to find some side income to support their family, and we become a light in their life, right? So that kind of a purpose is just amazing. That feel is just keeps me feeling motivated that we are doing and right thing and in the social environment, and we are building something and for others as well, along with us. So it is like very happy that I'm able to do that.
I would like to add one more point. After COVID, all our lives have changed in some or the other way. I was working in a diagnostic lab. I did had a job, but then COVID has affected so many people, and job stability is so uncertain. So having something for yourself is the key so that you can have a future, like successful future, is what I feel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, true.
Mhm.
And so, Kulman, you want to give any conclusion points for our audience?
It just I can tell my experience. What I experienced after starting this business is that I have built my confidence, and now it's like it's not just about making extra income. It's more about my growth mindset and something creating of my own. So I'm really very happy that I started this business. Yeah, so I can just express my tell my experience about this business.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
really,
that's true.
and I'm
So,
learning every day so many new things. And with you, all my team members, they are so helpful. So we all together will grow. And yeah,
yeah,
that's
that's true.
all.
Yeah, I just want to take a second to thank our coach Farana here today, because 5 years back, since because she took this action, and we were all able to connect with her, and then take up this business in our lives as well. If she had not taken that action, if she had doubted herself, maybe if she had thought that this could be a scam, why should I put my time and effort and money in this? And then I mean, almost 500, 600 people have now joined her in this business, and all of us has got a new life, new hope, and a new confidence, and which would not have happened. So I just wanted to take a second to thank Coach Farana for all
Mhm.
her actions, and I
Mhm.
really believe that each one of us, Kulwant, Fareen, and myself, will also grow to that extent very soon, and
Yes.
helping so many mothers who are in need to earn a side income in a very legitimate way, in a very well structured community, and with a proven business model to give them the right results if they are ready to put in the work and show up consistently in this space. That's all I also wanted to add on. Yeah, Farin, do you want to conclude?
So, what changed in my life? I would say confidence. Like, my confidence was very low, and doing new things. I have never, like, I didn't even imagine if you would have asked me, like, what would my next year would be. So I would have never imagined I would do this live. So this platform gave me to change myself, like stretch myself. This is not me. So trying something new is really motivating for me, and I am happy to be associated and grow. I'm ready to learn each day. And if you guys are here to learn something new, this is for you. This is amazing platform. Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
my contribution to this.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys. And have a wonderful rest of the day. And whoever is watching this live or later, and, thank you so much for watching. We hope we have added some value to your life and have given you a hope that such things are possible. We are real people making real results. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.